Hello and welcome to Cuneiform Chat. In this video, I am going to show you how to bring your AI agents natively into Google Workspace, so your team can interact with them right inside Google Chat. Let's get into it. Millions of organizations run on Google Workspace. What if your AI agent lived right inside Google Chat, the same tool your team already uses every day? With Cuneiform Chat, it does. Let me show you how. Google Workspace is where enterprise teams communicate, collaborate, and get work done. Instead of asking your team to open another app or visit another website, you can bring your AI agents directly into the spaces and DMs they're already using. No context switching, no new tools to learn. We automatically detect whether your organization uses Google Workspace by checking the MX records on your primary domain. If we find Google Mail servers, the Google Chat integration section becomes available in your admin panel. Public email providers like Gmail or Outlook are excluded. This is specifically for organizations with their own workspace domain. Before connecting Google Chat, we verify that you actually own your domain. In the admin panel, go to Settings and open the Domains tab. Once you domain verification, you get a DNS TXT record to add at a specific subdomain. It looks like _cuneiformverify.yourdomain. Add the record, click Verify, and once the DNS propagates, your domain is confirmed. This is a one-time step. Once verified, it stays verified permanently. Setting up the integration is straightforward. Name your bot, select which agent it should use, and create the integration. Then install the Cuneiform Chat app from the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's a published app, so it's a one-click install for your organization. During agent integration, the admin panel gives you a verification code. Send that code as a direct message to the bot in Google Chat. This securely links your workspace domain to the integration. Once verified, the bot is active and you're ready to go. Each organization gets one Google Chat integration, but as you'll see in a moment, you can route different spaces to different agents. Your integration is live. Now let me show you how conversations actually work inside Google Chat. When someone messages your bot in a Google Chat space, the system tries to return the AI's answer directly. If the response is fast enough, the user sees the real answer right away. No waiting indicator. If the AI needs more time, a brief thinking message appears, and the real answer is delivered as a follow-up in the same thread. Either way, conversations stay organized with threaded replies, especially in busy spaces where multiple people might be asking questions simultaneously. Here's where it gets powerful. You can route different Google Chat spaces to different agents using simple bot commands and posting on your chat spaces mentioning Cuneiform Chat. Type /setAgent followed by the agent name to assign a specific agent to that space. /current agent shows which agent is active, and /reset agent returns to the default. Direct messages always use the integration's default agent, but each space can have its own specialist. Picture this in practice. Your HR team creates a space called HR Support and assigns your HR agent, trained on company policies, benefits, and onboarding docs. IT creates Tech Help with an agent that knows your internal systems and troubleshooting guides. Sales gets a sales queries space with an agent trained on product specs and pricing. 3 different agents, 3 different knowledge bases, all managed from one Cuneiform Chat dashboard, all native inside Google Workspace. Let me quickly show you what happens under the hood to keep everything reliable. Under the hood, we use a smart async delivery pattern. The webhook waits briefly for the AI to finish. If the answer is ready in time, it's returned directly. No follow-up needed. If the AI needs longer, a thinking message is returned, and the real answer is delivered through the Google Chat API as a follow-up. If a user sends multiple messages rapidly, we queue them and process sequentially. No dropped messages, no race conditions. Google Chat supports up to 30,000 characters per response, so even detailed answers fit comfortably. Everything is manageable from the admin panel. You can see all space-to-agent mappings, reassign the default agent without any webhook changes, and test connectivity with one click. The Spaces list updates automatically as your bot gets added to new spaces across your organization. Same AI intelligence, same knowledge base, but delivered natively inside Google Workspace. right where your team already works. Try it free at cuneiform.chat. Thanks for watching. If you missed the previous video on deploying your agent across 7 messaging channels, check that one out next. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I will see you in the next one.